We are a family. We are a family. We love each other. We love each other. We spend time together. We spend time together. We eat meals as a family. We eat meals as a family. We talk and laugh. We talk and laugh. We play games at home. We play games at home. We watch movies on the TV. We watch movies on the TV. We go for walks in the park. We go for walks in the park. We have fun together. We have fun together. Sometimes we go on picnics. Sometimes we go on picnics. We pack sandwiches and fruits. We pack sandwiches and fruits. We enjoy nature together. We enjoy nature together. We take photos to remember. We take photos to remember. We celebrate birthdays and holidays. We celebrate birthdays and holidays. We decorate the house. We decorate the house. We exchange gifts with smiles. We exchange gifts with smiles. We support each other. We support each other. We help with homework. We help with homework. We share our dreams. We share our dreams. We create happy memories. We create happy memories. We feel grateful for our family time. We feel grateful for our family time.